What are you going to talk about today?
I'm going to talk about if politicians have to impose Spanish in Catalan schools.
Okay, and I'm going to talk about why people emigrate to foreign countries to study English. May I start?
Okay.
Okay. Many people in other countries, for example in Spain or France or everywhere around the world, emigrate to English-speaking countries to make their English better. And there's also there are also two sides of this argument. For example, if in one hand, some people think that this is a great opportunity, and many people go to, well, they try to find the ideal English atmosphere, and if you find the ideal one for you or for me, it's makes the English process easier, and you also experience a new culture, and you try all their typical things they do, and on the other side, these trips are very expensive, and they the people that they emigrate, they find job as a cleaner or as an other simple jobs, even if they have a university degree. And it's all, and many people also feel homesick because they miss their family, friends, and their country. But you can help them so they feel comfortable as they are at home, like they are at home. And I met two people that they went to foreign countries and they've had different experiences. For example, I've heard that one friend of mine went to Australia, and he said he wanted to learn a lot of English, and next year he will be the best. And when finally he isolated himself, and he was very shy, and he just spoke French and Italian, but he never spoke English. And another one that is very curious made a trip to America to study English, and they said, and surprisingly she got married there. That was a lucky thing. And I think to sum up, learning English into other countries it's special, and it's like an opportunity that you can't lose. Now you can continue.
Okay, I chose my topic because nowadays there is a tense relation between Spain and Catalonia, and it's getting worse. One cause of that is that politicians want to impose Spanish in Catalan schools. And some people think it's going to be better for Catalan people, but while others believe that it's a bad decision. I'm going to discuss both opinions in order to reach a conclusion. Some people claim that Catalonia is part of Spain, and for this reason teachers have to teach in Spanish. Moreover, they say that Catalan children benefit from that because they will improve their Spanish. Furthermore, they want to impose Spanish because if some family want to move to Catalonia, it's going to be more easier for children to get used to living in the new region. Additionally, politicians want to I non ricordo. I want to impose that because only in schools where pupils ask for it. On the other hand, it is said that it's not an option to impose Spanish in Catalan schools because it means damaging the prestige of Catalan language. What is more, it could represent the first step of making the Catalan language and the Catalan culture disappear. But politicians justify it saying that they are going to ask families what pupils want, but for example, if 20 pupils disagree and only one accepts it, government are going to impose it without considering other opinions. So to sum up, there are some good reasons for each point of view, but while some people believe that it's necessary to impose Spanish in Catalan language, in my opinion, it is disrespectful to a language and to a culture.